Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Redmi A3 Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Finally, you can tap on whatever you want to in all the other pop-ups, and then when you finished, hit send at the bottom left corner of Redmi. Then receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Redmi, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. Now hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, hit input key section, type in all of those numbers and choose receive button. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and just point it at the code. Now wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!